When you a cop, you see a lot of things.
1081, report of a robbery in progress, corner of El Centro and Leland. Suspect wearing a camouflage shirt and red knit cap.
Unit 420 responding. I'm a block south of your location going code 12. Hey, hang on, boys.
What's going on?
Robbery at a Jiffy Mart. Yeah, and here we go. Hey, hold my grapefruit.
With what? I'm handcuffed. What do you expect me to hold your grip? Oh. I was just trying to do something nice for you. Well, fine, if that's the way you want it. Come on, you were totally misquoting me. That's not even how I said it. What? Hey. Hello.
Hey, get out of my car! Freeze! You freeze!
What are you doing?
Not going to jail, that's what I'm doing. Hang on, boys. We're in a stolen police car and we are running from the law.